Research data includes any statistical data and analysis, measurements, questionnaires, interview recordings or transcripts. It can be lab or fieldwork notes, and it can be physical or digital. It's basically anything that is needed by researchers to validate the results of their research. And it can also be the starting point of future research or new research. So that's why it's important that we have conversations too around what happens to your research data and how can you share it or make it available for other people. Managing research data is important for a number of reasons. Probably the most important one is it can help you to work more efficiently. Also, it helps you to comply with the university's research codes and policies and the codes or the mandates from funders who may be funding your work. It improves your grant funding opportunities and it gives you greater exposure through publishing your data. So there is some research around that shows that publishing your research data is going to get you higher citations on your research outputs. It's a good way for collaborators to find you who might want to work with you. It helps to protect your data from loss or misuse, and it could also help future researchers to build upon the work that you've done. So the university has a prescriptive research data and primary materials management procedure, and that's actually based on the ARC's, or the Australian Research Council's Code for the Responsible Conduct of Research. And what that procedure covers is the roles and responsibilities of researchers in relation to their data and the data management requirements as far as access to that data, storage, confidentiality, retention of data, and sort of what you do when that research has concluded. Data management plan is a living document that describes what data you're going to create, what policies apply to those data, who will own and have access to the data during the project, what facilities and equipment you may need. It also allows you to record who's involved in the project and what their responsibilities are during the life of that project. The other advantage of having a data management plan, and one of the key things you can do with it, is it makes it easy to plan what you're going to do post that particular research program as far as sharing, archiving, and publishing the data. The university's data management dashboard is an online tool to help you record information about your research project. So it helps you to plan how your data will be captured, described, stored and accessed. And your data management plan can be updated over the life of your project. It's actually a living document, so if things change within the project, you can actually update the data management plan. It's been designed to meet funder mandates and requirements around research data for funded projects, and it also helps to support the data governance responsibilities required by the Code for the Responsible Conduct of Research. The great thing about having a data management plan and using the data management dashboard to do that is at the end of your project, it helps you to take those next steps. So whether that's to share your data, to make your data open, or to publish your data, it could be in our Nova institutional repository or in another data repository.